What's the meaning of Allen Ginsberg? Allen Ginsberg. Allen Ginsberg. Allen Ginsberg. Allen Ginsberg. Allen Ginsberg.
Allen Ginsberg is a renowned American poet and leading figure of the Beat generation. His literary works often explored themes of spirituality, sexuality, and politics, and he became well known for his poem, How, which challenged traditional societal norms and was subject to censorship battles. Ginsberg also advocated for progressive political causes, including LGBT rights and anti-war activism. He passed away in 1997, but his impact on American literature and counterculture continues to be felt today.